Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Corsair Hydro Series H115i Pro RGB AIO, and this is a liquid CPU cooler with a 280mm radiator, dual 140mm ML series power fans, okay? And it also has software control. Okay, let me get this opened up here. You guys can see it. Alright, you get out of here. Alright, here it is. Get a good shot of it here. That's the front of the case. And as you can tell by this picture here, it's RGB on top of this pump here, where the Corsair logo is. Okay. Now let's open it up. To open these up, I have a few of these already, so I know, but for those of you who've never bought this before, you have to open it at the side. Right here, see that? It opens up at the side here. Right, got a little insulation pad on top here. You get the warranty and your instruction booklet here. That's what that's for. Now inside they give you two of these 140mm fans. Oops, there's two of them. That's what it looks like here. This is the back. This is the front of the fan. Okay. You can see all around. And I would like to, for those of you who don't know, because some people don't know this, there is a little arrow right here that shows you which direction the air is blowing. So it takes all the guesswork out of it. The arrow pointing down here shows that the air is going this way, and the arrow pointing this way, because this is where the fan is spinning. Okay, so for all you guys who don't know, just check the arrows on the side of your fan, and it'll tell you which direction the air is blowing, which way the fan's spinning. Okay, just a little tip. Now we got here, got our bag here with our little brackets. This is the goes to your USB header on your motherboard, and this goes to the pump. This is for the software controller that controls the pump. So this is what this is for. It sends the signals to control the pump, tell you whatever you want the pump to do. And this here is an Intel bracket. This is a bracket for Intel motherboards. And this one right here is an AMD bracket. Okay. Next, take the whole unit out here. See what else is in here. There's the screws. There's two sizes. So this, drop that one. I'll get another one. This one goes through the fan and onto the radiator. That's where this long screw is for. And then there's also a smaller screw in here. And this smaller screw attaches the radiator to your case. That's what the smaller screw is for. It's for attaching the radiator directly to the case. So you see there's two different sizes here. Okay. And then we have these this is for, I believe this one's for AMD also, but These screw down to, let me get these out of here. You guys can see. These little standoffs here. Because these standoffs, this standoff screws in here. And then you screw this one on top of that, because this is where your pump is going to be attached on. You're going to put your AIO water cooling pump is going to attach here, and then you use these bolts to screw it down. But I'll have a video about that, so this is just showing you all the parts. So I'm not going to go way too in depth on it, okay? Just to let you guys know what the parts are for. Now, I'll take this off here. This plastic off the way. Alright. This is the bottom of your AIO here. It already has thermal paste applied. And you can see the tubes are very movable. They got great movement in them. And you can see they're also braided. They're braided tubes. I like that. And there's a reason I got this AIO, is because I have used it on other builds and also personal computers I have, so I like it. It works great, so that's why I keep going back to it. Alright, but now let me show you guys these wires here, these connectors. This connector here goes to where your motherboard header for your cooler. But usually if you plug these in, the motherboard's gonna read it as the fan's not spinning because of the way the motherboards are. So you'd have to go into your BIOS and change it so it doesn't give you signals all the time for high temperatures or no fan. Okay, but this connects to your CPU fan header on top of the motherboard. Okay, then next we got these two here. These connects to the fans, so you connect those 240mm fans onto these two cables, connections right here. And then this here, the SATA cable, is for the power, and this supplies power to the pump. Okay, this is for your power to the pump. Let's take the plastic off the other end here, and this is the radiator here, as you guys can see. And for those of you who don't know, this is just like a car radiator with the fins. And you use the fluid goes through it and cools the air, cools it, and keeps temperature down. It's just like a vehicle. Okay, now what I'm gonna try to do is get this RGB running so you guys can see it. Let me get a connection. Connect this up here so we can get some lights rolling. There it goes. I got it connected to some power so you guys can see the RGB light on. I'm gonna turn the light off so you guys can get a better. There it is. It's just connected to power, so it's not connected to the computer. But I wanted you guys to see it light up, and you can see around here RGB, and then right around the top in the Corsair emblem here, there's the light. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching my video.